Yasi, madamdamin ang mensahe sa boyfriend na si Luigi Villapuerte sa kanilang first anniversary. Noong nakaraang September 19, 2024, madamdamin ang naging mensahe ng aktres na si Yasi Pressman sa boyfriend na si Camarines Sur Governor Luigi Villapuerte para sa kanilang first anniversary. Sa post sa kanyang social media account, ipinakita ni Yasi ang kanilang pamamasyal sa ibang bansa. Ayon kay Yasi, sobra umano ang swerte niya na nagkaroon siya ng boyfriend na hindi lamang maalaga sa kanya, kundi pati sa nasasakupan nito. Ayon pa kay Yasi, nagpapasalamat umano siya sa boyfriend na kahit sobrang abala nito sa trabaho, ay nakahanap umano ito ng oras para makasama siya sa kanilang unang anibersaryo. Dagdag pa ni Yasi na masayang masaya siya sa piling ng boyfriend at ramdam na niya na buo na ang kanyang pagkatao. You and me. How did I get so lucky? I found someone so driven and dedicated to his work for the people, who went out of his way to make this memorable trip happen for the following reasons. To slow down and appreciate how beautiful this world is. Most especially, to help us realize how blessed we are to be living in it. And we shouldn't be wasting our time not spending every moment with people that we love and care about. You don't get to meet people with this kind of vision every day. And oftentimes, life in the city gets so busy that we forget to actually just live. At Vincenzo.Luigi, you are the man who looks after everyone, including myself. And I couldn't be more grateful to have you as my buba, spending our first anniversary together. P.S. Stay tuned for the YouTube vlog. This trip is truly something else, and I can wait for you guys to see why. P.P.S. My heart is so happy. You make me whole. I love you, Bobby. Samantala, nauna nang nag-post si Governor Luigi ng kanyang mensahe kay Yasi. Ayon kay Governor Luigi, mahal na mahal umano niya si Yasi at lagi niyang pinananabikan ang makasama ito araw-araw. Happy anniversary, my love. Every day is an adventure with you, and I can wait to conquer more mountains together. You're my Mona Lisa, Buba Pai. I love you. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.